How to use Surfer SEO for beginners. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will showcase exactly how to use Surfer SEO for beginners. This is going to basically be a platform that is going to help you or help those people who are just struggling with their keywords. Surfer SEO not only does help you with your keyword research, it also allows you to plan ahead and also give you a better idea of how to create your content. This is going to give you your score and just allow you to create much better and engaging content, which is going to in turn is actually going to allow you to rank much higher than you already are. So this is going to be basically very helpful for those who are just struggling with the words that they're using. They don't know how to start and how to actually build their content properly. Now, Surfer SEO, as you can see here, is going to allow you to research your keywords and find the keywords that work. Is going to allow you to plan stuff and see competitors and just based off of that to tell you what is best for you. It's going to allow you to also write specifically what actually would be eligible to rank higher, and then you will be able to just publish it and see the score and everything from here. Now, to start off, let's actually just go ahead and talk about the pricing. Now, it does have a free plan to just test things out, but then you would actually need to go ahead and upgrade to be able to use the rest of the stuff. You can see the pricing plans over here and compare them to you basically compare them yourself. To get started, we just need to go to surferseo.com and we just click on get started for free or start for free on the top right, and then we will just need to be or sign up using Google or sign up with email, completely up to you. So I'll just do that real quick and get back to you once I'm done. So once you sign up, it's going to take you to this page here where you'll be able to pick your plan. Now, like I said, you'll be getting your first you will be getting your free plan, so you're going to try it for free, and then afterwards, if you like it, you can just go ahead and actually start paying, or if you don't like it, you can just cancel at any time. So I'm just going to pick the this one right here and then just fill in the information and get back to you. Okay, so once you enter your information, you should find that you'll end up in this page, which is your dashboard. And you will be getting for your trial 5 content editor allowance. So basically you can create up to 5. Same goes for keyword research and for AI credits, which is basically going to be using AI to write for you and create a lot of things for you actually. And later on, I actually may suggest that you do that because it's just going to help you out a lot. Unless you know another AI platform that also can help you out. Anyways, regardless, so you don't really get anything, even for the trial, you don't really get any AI credits, and you can just go ahead and purchase if you want to. Now, what we can do here is you can either, if you want, you can take the tour. It's just going to show you around to show you how it's going to work. Or just, go to keyword research yourself and start working on it real quick. So within the keyword research, you'll be able to write down the keywords that you are looking for, and it's just going to showcase, all the information that you would actually need for that. So for example, let's see some keywords. I'm just going to use one of those actually. So let me just use this one for the sake of this example, and just click on enter once you are done with the keyword that you want. And now once it's done, it actually should take a little bit of time, and it's just going to show you all the research that it found and all the results. And you can also change the results for a specific country if you want, and you can also do more filters, which I will talk about in a sec. So it shouldn't really take too long. It should show up right now, but I'm not going to waste your time, so I'll just come back when it's actually done. Okay, so apparently this is the only result that it found. It really took a lot of time and just didn't find anything else. Anyways, so you can find one or more keywords here that you can see. And once you find the one that you actually want, you can just go ahead and click on it. You can just click on got it here. And now it's actually going to show you all the keywords that are pretty much related to what you have searched for, and it's actually going to show you pretty much a lot of information. For example, the monthly search volume is going to show you this, and also is going to show you the difficulty, so you can, manage between the two. The higher the difficulty is, then obviously it's going to be more difficult. So you don't really want to mess with those unless you think that you are up for the challenge. And you would want to have high monthly search volume so you can, see which ones are actually, looking good and are going to be related to the topic that you are actually looking for. And once you're happy with a specific one, so let me just go ahead and real quick scan for one that I like. I don't know, maybe this one, for example. And we can just go ahead and actually open detailed view. And it's going to show you all the keywords that are related to it. And you can see the monthly search volumes as well as for the difficulty. Now, this is not going to be a great one, but I'm just going to use it because, it's just an informative video to show you how to use it. So once you find the keyword that you like, you can actually go ahead and create for 1 CE credit. And now you can actually go ahead and edit things out, and you'll be able to work on this keyword that you have found and create the content for it. So once it's done, we should be able to do so. Okay, so now it is done. It actually did take a little bit of time, but it is going to be worth it because it's going to give you or provide you with a lot of stuff. So anyways, once it's done, it should show you a message like this. Content editor was created with NLP analysis and all of those things. Basically, just click on the 3 dots and open content editor. It's going to take you to it, and here all the magic basically happens. Here you will find your content score, and you can see your outline and brief. For the content score, is going to obviously score based off of what you have already written in here. And you can also click on insert outline, and it's going to just write the headings for you. And you can see now that it already jumped. So if you want it to write the headings for you, you can just do so like I just did. And then you can see, scroll down a little bit, and you can see the keywords that you should write within this entire basically piece here, or your content. Basically try to fit in all of those elements and keywords in order to rank higher, basically. So this is going to be all. You can filter it for the headings, and you can see the headings that you can insert if you don't want to use these, and also NLP if you want. And you can see all the keyword research in here that you would want to add in your content. Now, what we can do also is go to, we need to go to settings. If I just find where that is. Okay, there it is. Sorry, it just kind of changed how it looked like. Anyways, so you can just click on this gear icon, which is customize. And here you'll be able to customize your competitors. So you can actually see the list of the top competitors that you have. And based off of this, you can actually turn off a few that you don't really think are worth, studying and actually trying to be exactly like that. So you just, you can actually visit these sites and see how it looks like. And if you want to do something that is close to their work, you can just turn it on, and it's actually going to help you create a little bit of, similar content to them. So just make sure that you go through them, see which ones are, websites that you look up to, basically, and you can just turn them on. This way you can actually track them and see how they're doing, and the score is going to work likewise. For content structure here, you'll be able to set up the words, and also going to depend on the competitors here. You're going to show you the amount of keywords that you would need, headings, paragraphs, and images. So between 5 to 9 here, and you can see the rest of the stuff here that you can need to add. Same goes for terms to use. Those are going to be the keywords that you would want to have on the right side, like we saw earlier. So if you feel like some of them you don't really want to add, you can just check them off. And same goes for those. If you want to add any of those you can just go ahead and check them on, and it's going to be added in there. So that's something that you would want to go for. Same goes for included terms and so on. But if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see also topics and questions that people may ask, and it's going to also help you rank higher. So just check the ones that you actually would want to use in your work. So after entire thing is done, you have notes at the end as well. So after this whole thing is done, you should all find the customized options added in here. So basically, just follow the steps here and try to create a great masterpiece with these helping indicators, basically. And with that, you can also track the score. And if you're happy with it, you can just actually publish it and be done with it. So this is pretty much how to use Surfer SEO. It's very simple. Keyword research, and then you can just go to a content editor and you can see the ones that we have just created and all the rest of them. And you can just go ahead and publish them after you're done. You just need to mind the credits and also the payment plan. And you can remember also, you also get to the option to write with AI. You just need to purchase AI credits. With that being said, this is pretty much how to use Surfer SEO. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.